washed my hair yesterday and it air dried and it's frizzy, and I just want to keep the like effortless look that I have going on, but I just want it a little more polished. I love that French girl, the cool French chic, French undone texture that looks so good. You didn't go anywhere near a curling iron. I'm gonna show you how to get that at home. Now, to be honest with you, I've started this video 3 times and it keeps going weird. So I've already done the back of my head. I'm gonna show you around the front. I think it's just quicker and you can see it better. And yeah, so let's get started. Today I'm gonna be using a GHD Curve. This is a 1-inch curling iron from GHD. It's one of my favorites. Slightly oval, and I love the plates are super smooth, so the hair glides through it. The barrel is evenly heated, so there's no weird cold or hot spots. So the wave that you put in is really, really beautiful. And it just feels really good in the hands. I'm going to be using my favorite heat protector right now. It's Oribe Gold Luster Heat Protection Spray. It gives just a little bit of shine. It protects up to 450 degrees, which is amazing. I style my hair a lot. I style my clients' hair a lot, and I need to have a dry protection spray, a heat protection spray that I can trust, and I love this one. It also smells delicious. And I love Oribe's texturizing sprays. The dry texturizing spray and the Après Beach, both are icons and legends, and I love them. But today, since I'm already using one Oribe product, I'm gonna show you one of my other favorite texturizers. This is the Rene Furterer Spray Texturizant. It's volume and hold texture spray with vegetable jojoba extracts. So these are the products, and let's get going. So I'm gonna finish the back, and when I get to the front, we'll start curling together. So the back is done. I'm gonna now show you and talk you through how I do this part. So around my face, I'm going to do a mixture of, again, horizontal pieces and vertical pieces. The pieces right around your face, I feel like are more flattering when I put the iron vertically. And you'll see the iron move around a little bit, but basically overall what you want to avoid is a consistent curl pattern. You want it to look like it just air dried like that, and there was no like ringlet kind of situations. So I hate the face I make when I spray products. It's like not cute. All right, so the first piece around the face, I want this bend here to right around my cheekbone to go out and vertical. So I'm gonna put it in, pull the hair up, so you give it a pre-bend, close it, you do this little motion a couple times, hold it and let it cool down for a second, and you see that pretty little shape around my face. Now I'm gonna go, you can see this was going like this, so now I'm gonna turn the iron over, clamp up, hold the first bend, and then repeat that motion. Kind of turning the iron a little bit as you go down. And then down here, this piece looks like it wants to be a horizontal. This doesn't make any sense, and every time I do it, it's different. You'll see. You just want to put it in, give it a pre-bend with the hair, hold it, and then the last couple inches. You're running it through a couple times, just being so delicate, but you can see that beautiful little effortless bend. Now, because I did that piece kind of more vertically, I'm gonna do this piece more horizontally, just to mix up the eye. Undone. And so this bend right here, this first piece is going that way. It started out going where the clamp was down. So this piece, I'm gonna start where the clamp is up so that those two pieces of hair don't fall into the same curl, which would give a more structured look. So you could see this piece is going like this, and then this piece next to it is going opposite. So you're kind of playing with the eye, and you're making it look like it's just grew out of my hair. This just grew out of my head, like effortless, like I was French, and I am definitely not French. I'm gonna repeat that, but I just love the way that looks. And this is just, you know, before we've combed it out or anything, this is just, you know, as is. And I'm gonna spray some texturizing spray towards the end, and it's gonna look even better. So I'm gonna keep going, keep watching, and we'll meet on the other end. No, just kidding. I'm gonna show you around my bangs. So, little protection spray. Try not to make that face. Pull the product through. Now here I want it around my eye to go out too. So I'm gonna put that bend around my eye, right here. Pre-bend the hair, run it through a couple times. And sometimes, oh, see it just fell into where it wants to be. So I'm gonna go with that because that looks like natural. And just accentuate that random bend that it did. Always shake your products every couple pieces, because the formulas, they settle to the bottom of the can, so you wanna give it a good shake every once in a while. Let it cool, put it in, hold the first bend, run it through a couple times this way. I'm doing this piece horizontally. And then I kind of like push my hair up after the iron comes up just to see where the bend is, so I know where to put the next piece in. Put it in, hold the bend you just put in so you don't pull it out. Run it through 2 to 3 times. See, and then push it up. I see that went like that. So this next one, I'm turning the iron back over, putting it in where I see that bend, holding the last bend, and repeating. And sometimes at the bottom, the ends go out and sometimes they go under. That gives more of that extra effortless lived-in look. Okay, now I'm gonna finish, speed it up, and I'll see you after to put the texturizing spray in. Now, I will say one thing. I have this little natural curl around my hairline. I'm not gonna blow those out. That adds to the illusion that my hair has this bend that it doesn't. But these little curls around the face, French girls always have that. I keep saying French, but it's, you know, that chic woman going to eat a croissant, have a glass of wine, 10 a.m. That's what I'm going for. Every day of my life. Okay, now the whole head has been curled. I mean, it's pretty, you don't have to shake it out. You don't have to add texturizer. I just think it adds a little, takes it to that next level. So this texturizing spray, the Rene Furterer, there's a ball in there. Anytime you hear that, that's them telling you, please shake me very well. Because the product, there's certain ingredients in the products that settle, so you wanna shake it up to get the best application, the best use of the formula, and the way they formulated it. So give it a good shake. Then I'm gonna lean to the left, hold this side of my hair, I'm gonna do it separately. And as I'm spraying, I'm just gonna lift and fluff. Now this way, you wanna get the ends, the hair up here, around your face, and then a little in the back, just for a good measure. So that's it. This is, you know, I'm not super thrilled with how my bang came out today. It's a little bit straight, but I'm gonna see if I can add another little bend here. You can always fix. Now just hold it and let it cool down before you do anything. Well, that's better, kind of like that. A little fair phosity in the bang, but we're gonna go with it. Let's get spray. Yeah, but I love this look. It's just, it's kind of sexy, it's kind of undone, it's kind of chic, and yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like this cool girl hair aesthetic? I mean, it's like, you know, we had the clean girl makeup. I bet this goes well with glam. I have a red lip on today. But I also think it works with like the minimal makeup. It kind of works with everything. You could wear it out to go dancing, or you could wear it to like, you know, lunch with your girlfriend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.